Hi everyone, welcome to another week here at Monroe Builders. I've got that cut out, got the lintel dry fitted, so now I'm just going to bed it up and point it all in. That's that lintel in. You can see this side, I've checked it in quite a lot. I just followed the brick, but I am going to be cutting away a bit of this on the inside anyway. I can't really cut much more away of this. See, I'm right out to the edge of the wall, but that'll firm it all up. So now I'm going to let that take before I do any of the inside parts. Window needs to go up, that front face to just be behind that lintel, and if I wanted this in this existing opening, the window has to go that way, which wouldn't work for the sloping ceiling. So what we'll do, I'll tooth out the wee half cuts and quarter cuts, leave the full brick in, build it out, piece it all in, and then on this side, it's not too much, but I'll just need to take the still saw down about 40mm down there. But first of all, as I said, I'm going to put the internal lintel in first and just let all that firm up. Right fit, that's her in. Fits fine. Nice wee rebate for the box of the window. I don't think rebate's the right word, but that's what I'm using. I'm just going to go mix up some mortar now and get this bedded in before lunch. And then I'll mark my plumb lines for cutting this one back and toothing in some bricks on this side. So I'll do all these wee cuts next. That's that cut out. You can see the wee check there. The face of the box of the window. I've got a mark here where this will plumb down. We'll build this front leaf out. I might fit the window first and then just build that in to suit. I think that'll be easier, only because it's myself that's doing it. If it was a brickie doing it, I'd just get them to build it, but I think it'll be easier for me just to fit the window and then piece those bits in. So we're just going to get all this crap out, sweep it up and see how much time we've got for building and putting the window in. Guys, that's the window in. Apologies about the noise, you can tell that is the sound of an electrician on site. We've compromised the window the best we can. We don't really have any more room to push the window that way. You can see that bit of the sloping ceiling will catch it, but we'll get a nice margin, nice even margin around there. So I'm just going to frame this in now, then insulate it and VCL it. Then I'll get outside and start bricking it up. Guys, that's it all insulated. It's actually double layered this wall just because the depth of the wall. My phone died while I was doing that, unfortunately. So now I'm just going to get the VCL on and then we'll get some straps on and that'll be this bit done. Brick up the side of this window. The margins are a wee bit off on this one because I couldn't lift this window up as high as I'd wanted to because the inside of the case is taller and wider, and I was hitting the roof structure in there, so I had to just leave it there. It's a bit annoying. So what I'm going to do is leave this a wee bit, well, I'm going to match this side to this side and see when they come to do the render if they can thicken this a wee bit. make it more even, and if for some reason they can't, what we'll do is we'll just cut back the brick to get a nice even margin. We've got plenty of room there to cut back. Right, that's that built up. Try and keep that margin the same both sides. And the top one will just need to get maybe a double, just built down a wee bit. Beds are a bit thick, but I'm just following what's there, so nobody shout at me in the comment section. We also had the skip here, so Yuji spent a good bit of time getting this place nice and tidy. You can see we've got a lot more room now, so once we get rid of these blocks, some of this bags of sand, we're starting to work our way through the timbers now, and then that will allow us to get some planting, to get type 1 and stuff down here. And look who's back! Look who is back! Say hi to everyone, Yuji.
Hello viewers.
Yuji is back after his month off. But what did you do?
Passed my driving test. There you go.
Good for you. Yuji had a good go at prepping out this foundation, ready for our type 1. Dug out any of the mud and the soil, squared off around the old building, and then spread out some of the render chips, so that'll get whacked down. I mean, it's pretty solid, it's not going to really whack anywhere to be honest, but we'll get some type 1 in here up to the level of that block on flat, and then that'll be ready for the glass foam insulation. So first fix electrics are done on the first floor here, which is great. Still got the rest of the house to do, but for now he's just done the first floor to allow us to crack on with our boarding up here. Good to get one trade off the list. Next up's plumbing. He should be arriving anytime soon now. Most of his work is in this central area, bathroom and radiators. So we are, just for today, we're not going full tilt into this, but just for the rest of today we are going to start putting these pre-cut boards on, see how they look. So Yuji cut all these boards to size for this wall, this run of wall and that run of wall. We're going to see how they go together. Thanks for watching the video. Cheers for now.